Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to repair corrupted system files in Windows 11 using SFC and DISM commands. First, make sure you are logged into Windows normally. Now click on the Start button. Type CMD. In the search results, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a User Account Control window, click Yes. When the command prompt opens, we will start with the System File Checker scan. Type the following command exactly as you see it. SFC/scanO. Now press Enter on your keyboard. The scan will start. This process may take some time, so be patient, and do not close the window. Windows will check all protected system files and automatically replace corrupted files if possible. When the scan finishes, you will see a message showing whether problems were found and fixed. If SFC could not fix all files, we will now use the DISM tool. Open a new command prompt window and type this command: dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. Press Enter. This command checks the Windows image and downloads healthy files from Windows Update to repair corruption. This step can also take several minutes and may look stuck at some percentage. This is normal. After this, your Windows 11 system files should be repaired, and your system should run more smoothly. Thanks for watching.